Welcome to this tutorial on how to add more posts to your WordPress.com site in just about 5 minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the WordPress homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see the login option. Clicking on the login button initiates the process to access your account, setting you up for the steps that follow. Once you have clicked on the login feature, you will be presented with different authentication options. In this instance, the recommended approach is to select the option that offers you the convenience of signing in using your Google account. By clicking on the Continue with Google button, a new window or prompt should appear, allowing you to choose your desired Google account. This step is designed to streamline your login process by leveraging an account that you already trust and use frequently. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to your dashboard where several quick links are available to help you navigate. In the quick link section, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action will take you into the editing interface where you can begin modifying and enhancing your website's layout and content without having to search through numerous menus. Within the editing interface, locate the plus icon positioned at the top left corner of your screen. This icon is pivotal as it gives you access to a variety of options for inserting new content or modules on your site. Clicking on the plus sign will open up a search and selection field where you can type keywords related to the content you wish to add. At this point, type the word blog into the search box. Take a moment to ensure that you spell the term correctly, as this search will filter through available modules to find what you specifically need. Following this, from the filtered list of options, choose blog posts. By selecting blog posts, you initiate a feature that is designed to display and manage the posts on your site. This module organizes your posts in a user-friendly manner, enabling you to view, edit, and add additional entries with ease. Now that the blog post module is visible, focus on the right-hand panel of the interface. Here you will find a setting labeled with an option to adjust the number of items displayed. Increasing the number of items in the panel allows you to see more posts at once, making it easier to manage extensive content or simply have a fuller overview of what is currently published on your site. By adjusting this setting, you enhance your ability to curate and manage your posts without constantly having to navigate to another section of your site. This step-by-step process provides a concise and effective way to add more posts to your WordPress.com site. By following each stage carefully, from logging into your WordPress account with your Google credentials, navigating to the Edit Site option through the Quick Links section, using the plus icon to bring up post-related options, and finally adjusting the display settings, you ensure a smooth and efficient content management experience. Enjoy the ease of managing your posts and continue exploring the flexible features that WordPress has to offer.